Most people think making money online means working longer hours, staring at a screen all day, or constantly chasing clients. But what if the work only had to be done once, and the system kept running while you sleep? Not a get-rich-quick fantasy, not crypto hype, a real automation model that thousands of regular people are already using quietly. Today, I'll walk you through how AI automation actually makes money in the background, step by step, in a way that feels realistic, doable, and scalable. No tech degree required. No fancy setup. Just smart systems working together. Let's start with the mindset shift most people miss. Automation isn't about replacing effort, it's about front-loading effort. You work intentionally once, you build a system, and then the system handles repetitive tasks that humans are slow, expensive, or inconsistent at. Now here's the core idea. You don't make money from AI. You make money by using AI to deliver value faster, cheaper, or more consistently than others. That's it. And the easiest way to do that right now is through AI-powered microservices. These are simple services businesses already need: content, lead handling, customer replies, basic research, scheduling, but automated so they run almost hands-free. Let's break this down step by step. Step 1. Pick a boring problem. Businesses already pay for this, is where people overthink. You do not need a revolutionary idea. In fact, boring works better. Examples. Local businesses that need social media posts, coaches who need email replies handled, realtors who need listing descriptions, small companies drowning in customer inquiries, YouTubers who need scripts or summaries. These people already spend money or time on these tasks. Your job is to automate them. The more boring the task, the better the automation opportunity. Step 2. Design a simple AI workflow, not a product. You're not building an app. You're building a workflow. Here's a simple example. A business receives customer questions through email or a contact form. Instead of replying manually, the message goes into an AI system that 1. Reads the question. 2. Understands intent. 3. Drafts a professional reply. 4. Sends it automatically or queues it for approval. That entire flow can be built with existing tools. No coding required. Think of AI as your invisible assistant that never sleeps, never complains, and never forgets. Once this workflow is set up, it can handle hundreds of messages with almost zero extra effort. Step 3. Connect tools instead of doing everything yourself. This is where automation becomes powerful. Most people try to use one AI tool for everything. That's the wrong move. Instead, you connect tools so each one does a small job really well. For example, one tool collects input, one tool processes it with AI, one tool delivers the result. When these tools talk to each other, you've built a machine. And machines scale. Once connected, the system doesn't care if it handles 5 requests or 500. Your involvement stays the same. Step 4. Package the automation as a service. Here's the part that changes everything. You don't sell AI. You sell results. Businesses don't care how it works. They care what it saves or earns them. So instead of saying, "I use AI automation," you say, "I help you respond to customers 24/7 without hiring staff." Or, "I handle your content creation so you never miss a posting schedule." Same system, different framing. This turns your automation into a monthly service, not a one-time gig. And monthly services are what create income while you sleep. Step 5. Why this keeps earning without daily work. Once your system is live, clients keep paying monthly, the automation keeps running, your workload stays nearly flat. You're not trading time for money anymore. You're maintaining a system. That's the difference between hustling and building. Most of the while you sleep part doesn't come from laziness, it comes from structure. You've already done the thinking. You've already built the workflow. Now the machine executes. And here's the key thing people don't talk about. The first system is the hardest. After that, everything gets easier. You reuse workflows. You duplicate setups. You refine instead of restart. This is how people quietly build income streams without going viral or showing their face online. Now let's talk about how this actually comes together in the real world. Not theory, not hype. Because automation only works if it's simple enough to maintain. Step 6. Choose tools that don't break. When you scale, you don't need 10 tools. You need 3 types. First, an input tool. This is where information comes in forms, emails, DMs, uploads. Second, an AI brain. This is the tool that reads, understands, and creates responses or outputs. Third, an output or delivery tool. This sends emails, posts content, updates spreadsheets, or notifies clients. That's it. When people overcomplicate this, systems fail. When people keep it boring, systems last. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is reliability. Step 7. Build it once. Test it like a business owner before you sell anything. You test the workflow like you're the client. You ask, does this actually save time? Would I pay for this if I ran a business? Does it feel helpful or robotic? This step matters more than any fancy feature. If the system feels human, clients trust it. If it feels cold or confusing, they cancel. You tweak prompts. You adjust tone. You make the AI sound like a real assistant, not a machine. That's where the human touch lives. Step 8. Pricing it without sounding desperate or scammy. This is where most people panic. They undercharge because they think it's just AI. But clients don't pay for AI. They pay for peace of mind. If your automation saves 10 hours a week, missed messages, late replies, hiring a part-time assistant, then $200, $500 per month feels reasonable. Not cheap, not expensive, just logical. You price based on outcomes, not effort. And here's the quiet advantage. Once a client is on board, your work doesn't increase, but your income stays steady. That's where sleep money actually comes from. Step 9. How people find clients without ads or spam. This isn't about blasting links or begging in DMs. Most people start with local businesses, creators, solo founders, coaches. You don't pitch AI. You start with a conversation. Hey, I noticed you respond to messages manually. I've built a system that handles this automatically and keeps your tone. Want to see it? Low pressure, real value, no hype. You're offering relief, not a shortcut. And once you land one client, something interesting happens. Referrals. Because business owners talk. And they love anything that removes stress. Step 10. Why this keeps paying even when you're offline. Here's the honest truth. Automation income isn't magic. It's boring consistency. Your system runs at night, on weekends, while you're busy with other things. Clients don't care if you're awake. They care that the system works. You check in occasionally. You optimize occasionally. But you're no longer tied to the clock. That's the real upgrade. Not millions overnight. Not passive fantasies. But control. Control over time. Control over energy. Control over how you work. And once you build one automation service, you can build another. Same structure, different problem. That's how people stack income quietly. The bigger picture most people miss. AI automation isn't about replacing humans. It's about protecting human attention. You free yourself and your clients from repetitive work so real thinking can happen. That's why this model isn't going away. And why it works for regular people, not just tech insiders. If you can understand a problem, if you can connect tools, if you can think like a business owner, you can build this. If you want a full breakdown of exact automation ideas you can copy, tool setups explained simply, and real-world workflows that actually sell, then make sure you subscribe and stay connected. More step-by-step breakdowns are coming. No fluff, no fake promises, just systems that work. This isn't about working harder. It's about working once intentionally and letting smart systems handle the rest. Build the machine, maintain the machine, and let the machine work even when you don't.